this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet. So we're going to start from our Robinhood app, and from the home screen, we're going to click on Send, and in here, we're going to select Bitcoin. Click on Enter Address at the bottom, and in here, we need to paste in the wallet address from Phantom Wallet. So in order to obtain this, let's go over to our Phantom Wallet application. So from our Phantom Wallet app, we're going to click on Receive from the home screen, and in here, we're going to select Bitcoin, and you can either select Taproot or native SegWit. I already have Taproot, so I'm going to click on Bitcoin Taproot. And now go ahead and copy this wallet address down below to your clipboard. And now we can go back to our Robinhood app to insert this. So I have pasted in the address. Now I'm going to click on Continue. And in here I can enter the amount of Bitcoin that I want to send. So let's say that I want to send everything. Then I'm going to click on Send All. And now I'm going to click on Continue. So as you can see, our transfer is processing. We're sending all of our Bitcoin to Phantom Wallet. And at the bottom, you can click on Done. And in here, you see all of your details. So right now, let's click on Done. And now this will take some time. And you can just go ahead and wait in your Phantom Wallet in order for this to be visible. So in here, we see that the Bitcoin is already received. So that is how you transfer Bitcoin from Robinhood to Phantom Wallet. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.